What's going on, folks? Cause today is a really important video. I'm gonna be showing y'all how you can make $100 every single day. And it's super simple, it's super easy. You just gotta put the time and effort in. If you wanna get that money, you know what it takes. So let's get it. So my price is going for $20 right now. $20, what that mean? I gotta cut 5 heads. So it shouldn't be too hard. And I'm gonna show y'all as I go. Got my first client in right now. Ready to get this cut. Let's get into it. Simple work. First head. Boom. Just that easy. We in Germany, so we count euros, European dollars. 4 more of these. That's $100. So we're gonna get back in the business, so let's get it. Second cut of the day. What they make? $40? Said 30. Second cut of the day. Let's get right into it. Yeah. Quick little cut. I'm going crazy, I'ma catch him by surprise. When I hit him with a 9, I'ma hit him in his eyes. And if she say she for me, then you know that be a line. I'm a motherfucking virgin like that motherfucking island. Cause bitch, I don't give a fuck just like a virgin. I pay that bitch bust and she gave me the bit clean. Yeah. What did it make? The third haircut of the day? Like that boat like a box of chicken. Telling you, man. I'm telling you, KFC crispy. But yeah, man, that's the third cut of the day. We on the way. Next customer in the cut. Yeah. Man, we making progress. Let's get into it. Yeah. That is clean on it. Fourth cut of the day. One more cut, we at the $100 goal. That's what I said, bro. We doing a $100 goal today. I said, I'm showing people how to make $100 every single day. Hell yeah. So, this my fourth cut. That's 75. Wait, that's what? 80, yeah. And I need one more cut to get to the $100 goal. But we gonna get there. I'm gonna tap back in. While I was waiting, I did my own haircut. Y'all like it? Last cut of the day. Let's get it. That last cut of the day, man. That bit's super fresh. Yeah. I'm showing everybody how they can make $100 a day. You gonna try to make $100 a day now?
I couldn't hear it.
You gotta find what you good at. Okay, so in today's video, y'all learn how y'all can make $100 every single day if you stay consistent with it. Now, I made 60 in cash, 40 on Venmo, Cash App, all that, $100. So find what you good at, do that every single day consistently, and you can have $100 a day.